What's up, YouTube? Today I want to show you guys a quick tutorial on how you can use Gemini to create a 3-minute song. Now this feature is totally brand new, and today I will be showing you step by step on how you can do it. Now first things first, go to the gemini.google.com website, and then from here all you have to do is type in your prompt, click on tools, click create music. And then from here, all you have to do is change it from fast to pro or thinking. In my experience, pro has been the best. And then all you have to do is click submit. Now all you have to do is wait until it processes. It will take maybe about a minute. Alright guys, so our song has been successfully created. Now we have two different options. We can download the song with the cover art, or we could download the song simply by itself. And that's all you need to do to create your own 3-minute song using Gemini.